Hello guys, today we are going to make this yummy and amazing Uppam cake, which is made out of hide and seek biscuit. You guys can take any biscuit you want. First, you guys need to take a hide and seek biscuit and take 1 or 2 packets. We took 30 biscuit to make this. You guys can take however biscuit you want. How much biscuits you will take, you should make it by the correct number of quantity in this video. And then we are going to grind them. After grinding, it should look something like that. It's now having a fine powder. Now take 2 dairy milk and take a mixing bowl. Now add all of the hide and seek powder. And then we are gonna add half cup of milk, and then we are going to mix them all together. After mixing, it should look something like that. And then our batter is ready. Now take a piping bag and pour all the mixture inside the piping bag. You guys can also do it with a spoon. After pouring all the mixture, it is now ready. Now keep it aside. Now take 1 dairy milk and then open it piece by piece. And also put them separately on a plate. Now take a Uppam pan and then we are going to grease it with oil. And then pour the batter in all of the holes. We are going to fill it half and then take your dairy milk pieces and add inside the batter one by one. And then we are going to cover it up. And now we are going to steam it on top of a pan. Now take another piping bag and take some dark chocolate and add to it. And then we are going to also add some milk on it. We are actually doing this process with hot water. See, you guys can see my mother's dipping it in the hot water and then making it just like that. It's actually a piping bag method to make a chocolate syrup. And then take off the lid, and we are also going to insert a toothpick inside all of them. And if the peak comes out clean, it means they are baked well. Guys, it is baked well, but my mother decided to flip it over and also do the same process to the other sides. And then we are going to steam it for another 5 minutes. My mother decided to steam it again so that it cooks well on each side. After 5 minutes, it should look something like that, and also transfer it to a plate now. You guys can see how yummy and tasty it is looking. It was very yummy and tasty at the same time. You can see how juicy and chocolatey it is looking inside. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.